Hey guys, Ivan here on the Missouri Agitator channel. Today I'm in the woods. Came down here and got my deer cameras and stuff out of the woods. Put them up for the year. Got a little water hole. Had somebody ask me about my bait rods that was in my boat video that I posted yesterday. Told him I'd take a little video. It's a Pflueger President. On a Shakespeare Ugly Stick rod, 5 foot, ultralight, 2 to 6 12-pound line. This is mainly what I use for catching bluegill and stuff for bait. My other one is a Daiwa PL 150. Daiwa ProLite PL 150. Nothing fancy, just cheap little rods. I got 17-pound trilene on this because I do use it for snagging on Asian carp once in a while for bait. And it is on an Ugly Stick Light graphite, 6'6", medium action, 10 to 17-pound line. I really like these Ugly Sticks, and I really like that Daiwa reel. I'm sure they don't make it anymore. That's an old one. But that thing will cast like you wouldn't believe. I don't think they make them like that anymore. Got the star drag. Works good for bait. And I've caught small channels on it too. It has no problem with little channel cats and stuff. But like I say, it's mainly my bait rod. Same way with the Pflueger President. Catches bait. Catches bluegill. Alright guys, like I say, had somebody ask me, so I figured I'd make a short video and show you what my bait rods were. Of course, this is just only 2 of them. I got a lot of bait rods. I've got more rods than I really need. Got like a room full of them, so. Alright guys, take care. Till next time, tight lines.